Hi there, it's Sunday the 6th of April 2014 and it's the evening time and I'm just having a little look through my charts and I was wondering about doing a Forex trade which I haven't done on trendfollower.co.uk before, so I thought I would share this with you. I've just placed this trade. I've done it using much the same sort of criteria as my stock trading. This is a buy trade of the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. So going long the Aussie dollar. This may tie in with perhaps a rise in commodity prices. Of course, the Aussie dollar is essentially a commodity play. So I'll show you on the chart in just a second how it looks and what I've done. So I thought I'd share it with you. You might be interested. So here we have it. This is the chart of the Aussie dollar against the US dollar, and my candles are weekly candles. The dark candles, the black candles, are candles where the price has dropped, and the white candles are weeks where the prices has risen. And you can see the price just recently has been rising, and this week the price went up through the 50 SMA. So this of course will have caught my attention, and I had originally thought about using a day chart to do this deal, and then I thought, gosh, it's going to be tiring looking at the prices every day and tracking them. Why don't I just look at my weekly chart and see if that's going to be a more helpful way of doing things. And it does tie in nicely with my usual criteria. Here we are, ding, a buy. So I've opened a long position buying the Aussie dollar, and my stop is down here, and I'm just going to track it up and we'll see what happens. So it's kind of interesting looking at the price of the Aussie dollar. You can see that back in 09 the Aussie dollar had got down to a very low place from being up much higher earlier in 08, and this is of course the economic crash which made the Aussie dollar fall very badly against the US dollar, because the Aussie dollar is a commodities trade, and of course when global economies do badly, people don't want to buy stuff, and if people aren't buying stuff, then stuff doesn't get made, and if stuff doesn't get made, you don't need commodities to make it from. So the Aussie dollar had fallen through the floor, and then as we got into 09, you can see that the Aussie dollar started to rise again and did very nicely. So here we go, up it went through the 50 SMA, and you can see the movements in the price here, and through 2011 it reached a nice peak, and since then things kind of wibbled around, not doing very much, and then as we got into the sort of middle parts, the sort of late spring, early summer of 2013 last year, it started to fall again, fall and a rise and a fall, and here we are with a little bit of a rise. Now of course, I can't tell whether that rise is going to continue or whether it will just fall back through the floor again, but it's just interesting to see that it has risen through the average for the year. Back in sort of October of last year, we had a bit of a peak here, but it didn't hit the average for the year, the previous 52 weeks, and it fell away again. Now it's risen. One could say it's just going to fall away again. This is a lower low. You could say this is a lower high, so that it's actually trending downwards. But what I'm looking to see is, is the trend reversing? That's really my interest, and what we could do is draw a line from this little peak here, going down through this little peak here, and actually we'd see that the price in the past couple of weeks has broken through a trend line, and yeah, I'm keen to buy it and see what's going to happen. So it may come to nothing, but it may all help to build the fortunes of trendfollower.co.uk. So we'll see. That's the trade. I've placed it, and we'll see how it goes. And so I'm not going to move the stop now till the end of this coming week, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay. Have a great week and bye for now.